Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be the last video of counting principles where we are going to solve previous year question probability. As I've already told you that there were only 3 questions in last 7 to 8 years in CSAT on probability. So we are going to solve those. This PPT is already uploaded on the Telegram channel. You can go there, download it and try to solve this question on your own first by applying the concepts you have learned in the last videos and then look at the solution. So starting with the first question, this says a round archery target of 1 meter is marked with 4 scoring region. So there is a target of 1 meter, diameter 1 meter means this is a target where the diameter is 1 meter, so radius, this complete is a diameter from that end to this end. So only this half of it, this half is radius. So this radius is 0.5 meter. I hope this is clear. Now with 4 scoring region. So these are 4 scoring regions in it with red, blue, yellow and white. 4 scoring region are red, blue, yellow and white. Radius of red band is 0.20 meter. So if we see the radius of red band, so that is 0.20 meter. So this radius is 0.2 meters, right? This radius is 0.2 meters and the width of all the remaining bands is equal. So after this is the red band. I hope this is clear. This is a red band. Then there will be another band. There will be third band and the fourth. So the next band is blue, next band is yellow and the final band is white. So all are of equal width. So the total width is 0.5 meter, where the red band has 0.2 meter as width, then blue has 0.1, yellow has 0.1 and white has 0.1. So all of these three have a equal width. Now if archer throw the arrow at the target, means target is this red circle, what is the probability that it falls in the red region of the archery target, right? So we have to find that this hole is a target area. So radius of whole target area, let's say the whole target area means the full target area is 0.5. So what is the area of full bigger circle? That is pi r square. Pi r square is pi, r is 0.5 square. I hope this is clear. Now, where do we want to hit? We want to hit only the red part, that is of 0.2 meters. So what is the area covered by the red part? That is pi r square. That is pi 0.2 square. I hope this is clear. So if you calculate this, you will get 0.5 square pi and this is 0.2 square pi. So probability of hitting the red mark is probability of red area means what is the area what is the area covered by red divided by the total area, A total, right? So what is the probability of hitting the red area is area of red is pi 0.2 square divided by pi total is 0.5 square. So solving this you will get, if you solve this you will get 4 by 25, right? 4 by 25. So we'll check the answer. 4 by 25 is the answer. So solving this you will get 16% or 0.16 as the answer. I hope this is clear. 0.16 is the answer of the question number 1. Now moving on to the next question. Now this is interesting question because this does not involve direct application of the probability formulas but simple counting principle. How? Let's see. A bag contains 20 balls. So there are 20 balls in the bag. 8 are green, 7 are white and 5 are red. What is the minimum number of balls that has to be picked from the bag without replacing to be sure that we have picked at least one of each? At least one of each means that after picking some n number of balls, suppose I have picked 5 balls. What is the probability that I picked all the 5 balls, right? So that we have to count that how many minimum number of balls I have to pick to make sure that I have all 3. So let's start. Suppose I've already told you I have picked 5 balls. Is it necessary that I picked all the colors? Suppose I picked 5 balls. So 5 balls could be green, 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 green. So there is a chances that all are green. So we have not picked all the colors. So 5 is not the answer. Suppose 6 balls I have picked. So 6 could all be green. So 6 is also not the answer. What about 8 balls? 8 balls is green, 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 green. So the chances are all the 8 balls are green. So 8 is also not the answer because I still haven't got the white and red. Suppose I picked 9 balls. 9 balls could be green, 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 and the last one could be white. Right? Now we have completed all the green balls and picked. We have no option then to pick another ball. Right? So suppose I picked white. And again going by this logic, 10 balls, I will have picked 8 green plus 2 white. Still I haven't got the red one. So suppose I take 15 balls. 15 balls is 8 green plus 7 white. So 8 greens and 7 white will make 15 balls. So now I have picked all the green balls, all the white balls. What will only option I will have after this? Suppose now I have to pick 16 balls. I can pick 8 green, 7 white, and I have no option then to pick 1 red. So when I am picking 16 balls, I am making sure that I picked one each, one of every color. So the answer is 16 balls means when I picked 16 balls, I have picked at least one color each, and that is the answer. Means I have to pick 16 balls, then only there is a sure chance that I picked all the colors. And that is the question. That is what they have asked in the question. Right? Now moving on. This is the last question on probability. A bag contains 15 red and 20 black balls. So 15 red plus 20 black. Each ball is number either 1, 2 or 3. So ball could be number 1, number 2, number 3. Now 20% of red ball are number 1, 40% are number 3. Similarly, black has some numbering and a ball is picked at a random. So the boy is winning if he picks a ball that is red and number 3, and or means he could also win if he picks a black ball and it is numbered 1 or 2. Right? So what the question says is we have 15 red balls and 20 black balls. Right? So out of these red balls, I have some 1 number, 2 number and 3 number. And black balls also I have one number 1, number 2 and number 3. In number 1, if I have red ball and it is number 1 is 20% of the red balls. So 20% of red balls mean 20% of 15 balls. So what is 20% of 15 balls? You can calculate, you will find 3 balls. So 3 red balls are number 1. 40% of them are number 3. This is second line. 40% of them are number 3. So 40% means, what is 40%? That is 6 balls. And out of 15, 3 are number 1, 6 are number 3. How many are left? We are left with 6 balls, that is number 2. This is done. Now let's look at the black balls. What are the black balls? That is 45% are number 2. So 45% of 20 is 9 balls. I hope this is clear, 9 balls. Now, and 30% are number 3. So out of 20, 30% are number 3, means 6 balls are number 3. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 balls are number 1, right? Now person wins if he picks. So he could win if he picks a red ball number 3. Either he could win here or he could win black number 1 or black number 2. He could win here number 1 or number 2. So these are the places where he could win, right? So what is the probability of him winning? So how many balls are there in total? 35 balls. So where could he win? He could win by either by 3 red, means there are 6 balls he could pick, or 1 black, means he has 5 balls to pick, or 2 black, he has 9 balls to pick. So that is what? 9 plus 5 plus 6, 20 balls are there. If he picks any of these 20 balls, he will win. So 20 is the total ball. 20 is the balls which I can pick to win. And what are the total possible total balls? 35. So 20 by 35 You solve this, you will get an answer 4 by 7, and 4 by 7 is our answer. And that completes our previous year questions for probability. If you have any doubt on permutation and combination, probability, all these topics, you can post them in the comments. We'll see what we'll start in the next topics. As I've already mentioned, we are going to do a crash course on arithmetic, number system and algebra, the bedrock of CSET exam. These three topics we are going to do a crash course where we are going to do learn all the topics in some 2-3 videos, so that you don't have to go back and watch all the 16 videos. And we'll also solve a couple of PYQs in them to make your concept stronger. Till then, best of luck for your preparation. And again, if you have any doubt, feel free to post them in the comments. So see you in the next video. Best of luck.